how to fix Sflix not working. Now, if you're using Sflix application and it's not working on your mobile device, here are some steps for you to be able to fix this kind of issue. Now, there are a lot of factors why this is happening on you. It may be because your username or maybe your password are incorrect. So please do make sure that you're entering the correct details for you to be able to log in and use Sflix. Next thing you want to do is to pull up your app store, look for the Sflix app like so, and then in here make sure that the update button is not visible. If it is, just simply hit that and it will automatically update by itself and see if it fixes the issue. Now your last resort is to clear data cache and cookies from the application itself by tapping and holding on the Sflix app. Hit the eye, scroll down, and then go to storage, and then comply both clear data and clear cache. Now once you've done this, just simply relaunch the application and try to re-log in once again. So those are the things that you can do for you to fix Sflix not working.